Look, it's so very easy. My name is Laura, and it is time for the block of the month called Checkmate. Now, last month we did finish this border, and this month we are going to work on a portion of this border, the log cabins. Now, we're not going to make all of them, we're going to make 20 of them, and then we're going to finish them off the following month. Now, the log cabin is just going to go together like a typical log cabin, but that long row at the bottom is just going to give us a help to put those together. So the large letter represents the letter of the piece, and the small letter represents the color, black, white, gray, or red. So we are going to be working on this log cabin arrangement here. It looks like there's a border, but that border is going to be built in. So we are making these blocks, and this one we're going to do next month and put it all together. So let's get started on our log cabin block. Every piece is cut at 1.25 inches, except that center block. When we lay out the pieces, we're going to notice that they're going to go together in a row. Each two pieces are going to equal the same size. I have a 2-inch block. I have a 2-inch by 1.25, and that is piece G. We have 2 F's, 2 E's, 2 D's, 2 B's, 2 A's, and 1 C. And when we put the block together, we're going to have all the black on one side, the gray and the red on the other. So if you line them up this way, we're going to be able to just take this right to the machine and sew it. These two are the same size, so they're going to get sewn on first. Then this will get sewn on, then this, so they're all going to be able to be sewn on. And what we're going to do to sew this is we're going to start with our white. And we're going to sew on that first little piece. It's 1.25 by 2 inches. When we have finished sewing that together, we're going to turn that. So this piece will always be facing you. The piece that we sewed last will be the piece sitting on your lap. So that piece will then get sewn on. We're going to press it to the dark and then turn it so that piece is sitting on your lap. It's always going to rotate. The piece that you just finished sewing on will always sit on your lap. And press that seam also going in that direction. And when you do that, we're going to be able to just go around and around, and all of those pieces are going to match. Now these have all been cut to the exact size, so we will not ever have to trim the block down. But that also means we need to have an accurate 1/4 inch. So I would recommend starting and doing one block first. By the time you've hit the 4th or the 5th piece, if they're not going together, then your 1/4 inch is off. If the piece is sticking out too much, your 1/4 inch is too big. If that piece is sticking in, your 1/4 inch is going to be too small. So this is going to just give you a good judge on your 1/4 inch. Even if you wanted to do a scrap one first, it's a great way of testing out that perfect 1/4 inch. And I'm leaving them in the pile like this, and that way I can go to the machine and do one right after another. I finger press as I'm going along. When we're all done, we are going to have 20 of these log cabins. As we're sewing them around, it's going to be really easy to see if we're starting to make a mistake, because all of the black need to go on one side and all of the gray need to go on one side. As we've been going along, we've been pressing those seams out. And we're going to be able to continue that, except for this very last piece. This last piece, we're going to want to press it in. So everything is coming out except that very last piece. And that little press is going to help our rows to go together. So we have 20 of these blocks. We're going to take 8 and sew 8 together so that the reds are touching and the blacks are coming together. When we do that, Having that last red seam pressed up means it's going to nestle in with this last one. So we're going to be able to match those together and sew them. So we're going to have 8 units, and we are going to have that built-in border. So we now have part of the next border done. The whole key to doing these log cabin blocks is that 1/4 inch seam allowance, and just to make sure they're all going in the same direction. I will see you next month for the Block of the Month follow along. And as always, thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Bye for now.